My name is Vishnu and I'm 17.
Hi, my name is Sagar and I'm 17 too.
Sagar, do you know where is Dikshant?
I don't know where he is.
Yeah, sorry guys, I'm late. I just went to a fancy dress competition and got stuck there.
Get that thing out.
Okay. Hi, my name is Dikshant and I'm 17. We are here for
YouTube Space Lab.
A topic for YouTube Space Lab is hydraulic lift.
Our main aim is to find out if the lift works in microgravity or not, and if it does, how the result is different from g equal to 9.8 meter per second square.
The main question comes to the mind is that what is hydraulic lift? As you can see, an hydraulic lift is a device to direct or carry objects from low position to higher position.
The principle on which it works is the Pascal's principle, which is stated as pressure applied on an enclosed fluid is equally distributed to all parts of the fluid and also to the walls of the container.
Now, as we can see from the diagram, A1 is less than A2. Therefore, pressure is equal to force upon area. Now, from Pascal's principle, P1 is equal to P2. Therefore, F1 by A1 is equal to F2 by A2.
Since A1 is less than A2 and this implies F2 is greater than F1. That means for smaller force on smaller area will lead to larger force on larger area. That means it will go upwards.
We know it works in Earth, but we don't know how it will work in space.
Expected results.
Our expected result is that the lift will work only once in the microgravity, and for the next experiment we will have to push the piston with larger area downwards.
And the piston will go much faster than it would have been on the planet called Earth.
That's all, guys, and yes, vote
Vote for us.
Let's go, guys, I'm moving.
Go!